Let's take a look at this example. Again, we have three fractions and we have to perform the operations from left to right. Means we have to first subtract from 23 over 24 1 over 6, and from the result of this subtraction we have to subtract the third fraction. Now just look at the denominators, okay? Anytime I see denominators like 24, 6 and 3, I always check if I can divide the biggest denominator by the rest of the denominators. I have 24 is divisible by 6. 24 is divisible by 3. And of course 24 is divisible by 24. So this is perfect common denominator for my problem. So I have 23 over 24 is equal, so this is 24, and I have 1 over 6 is equal 24, and I have 1 over 3, excuse me, this is 2 over 3 is equal, in the denominator, 24. By what number I have to multiply 24 to get 24? I have to multiply by 1. Whatever I did in the denominator, I have to do also in the numerator, times 1. By what number I have to multiply 6 to get 24? I have to multiply by 4. Whatever I did in the denominator, I have to do also in the numerator, times 4. Okay, this is 23. By what number I have to multiply 3 to get 24? I have to multiply by 8. Whatever I did in the denominator, I have to do also in the numerator, so I have times 8. 2 times 8 is equal 16. Let me copy these fractions into my problem. I have 23 over 24 minus 4 over 24 minus 16 over 24. Okay, this is going to be equal. Now, as I said before, we have to perform the operation from the left side to the right side. 23 minus 4 is 19. 19 minus 16 is 3. So that's why my answer is 3 over 24. Now look at these two numbers. I have 3 and 24. 3 is divisible by 3. And 24 is also divisible by 3. 3 divided by 3 is 1. 24 divided by 3 is 8. And this is the solution to my problem.